is for kids.
Hey everybody, welcome to Explore and Learn with Zammy! I'm Zammy Zamerson, and today we're gonna have so much fun! That's right, we're gonna see where our friend Rocco is, and then we're gonna have a fun song. Oh, I can't wait to see what that is. Plus, we're gonna learn how to make apple snacks! Oh, I just can't wait, so stick around because we're gonna have so much fun. Let's get started! Hey you, it's time to learn and explore with Zammy! Alright, so first things first, let's find out where Rocco is. Rocco, can you hear me? Hi, where are you?
Rocco here. I can hear you loud and clear. And today, I'm at a park, but I have a problem.
Oh no. Maybe I can help. What's the problem?
I don't know how to play at a park.
I see. Well, actually, I think today's song will help you. It's called Playing at the Park by our friend, Mr. Blake.
Oh, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Roll it.
Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Blake. We're at the park and we're gonna have so much fun. Radio, let's go.
Swing on a swing. I'm swinging on a swing. Slide down a slide. I'm sliding down a slide, climbing monkey bars. I'm climbing monkey bars, playing at the park. I'm playing at the park, having fun at the park all day. Having fun in so many ways. We like to play under the sun. At the park, the party's just begun. Swing on a swing, I'm swinging on a swing. Slide down a slide, I'm sliding down a slide, climbing monkey bars. I'm climbing monkey bars, playing at the park. Playing at the park, having fun at the park all day. Having fun in so many ways. We like to play under the sun. At the park, the party's just begun. Slow it down. At the park, getting tired. At the park, take a nap. At the park. No wait, it's time to play. Let's go! Swing on a swing. I'm swinging on a swing. Slide down a slide. I'm sliding down a slide, climbing monkey bars. I'm climbing monkey bars, playing at the park. I'm playing at the park, having fun at the park all day. Having fun in so many ways. We like to play under the sun. At the park, the party's just begun. Swing on a swing, I'm swinging on a swing. Slide down a slide, I'm sliding down a slide, climbing monkey bars. I'm climbing monkey bars, playing at the park. Playing at the park.
Oh, that was great.
Oh, wow. So, you can swing on a swing, slide down a slide, and so much more. Thanks, Mr. Blake. So, Rocco, do you think you know what to do?
Oh, yeah. I'm going to swing on a swing. Whoa! And I'm going to slide down a slide. Whoa! Because I'm playing at the park. Playing at the park.
Awesome! All right, Rocco. Well, you have fun.
Okay, thanks, Sammy. Woohoo!
And now it's time to make an apple snack. Let's do it! Okay, so first things first, have a grown-up help you slice the apple. Awesome! Looking good and so yummy and healthy. Okay, next, we're gonna put on some peanut butter. Oh yeah, just put the peanut butter on the top. Oh, that looks nice. Yep, put it on there. Very good. And next, we're gonna sprinkle on whatever we like. First, the first one, let's do chocolate chips. Yeah. Yep. And then let's do some sprinkles. Yeah. And we also have some mini marshmallows. Oh, that would taste really good with peanut butter. And there you go. You've got yourself an assortment of awesome apple snacks. Yummy and healthy. All right. And that's how you make apple snacks. Oh, we had such a fun time today. We found out where Rocco was. He was at a park. And then we learned how to play at the park with fun from our friend, Mr. Blake. Playing at the park, I'm swinging on a swing. And we learned how to make apple snacks. Thanks for hanging out on Explore and Learn with Zammy. We'll see you